Check it out, guys. We got a package in yesterday. As y'all can see, the new Wahl Hi Viz Nightshade. Check that out right there. They did do a couple of these. They released these. I believe it was during the CT Barber Expo, you know, like a limited release. I did not get my hands on them, but they sent your boy one. So we're going to unbox this today. This is not a review. I want to let y'all know this is not going to be a review. This is just an unboxing of this tool. I will be giving y'all an updated video once I get some use with this trimmer. But you know, your boy's got a lot of tools in here recently, so I got a couple reviews to do before I actually review this. But with that being said, y'all may want to subscribe to the channel if you're interested in what I got to say about these tools, because like I said, I got a bunch of reviews coming up and I want y'all to know. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, like this video, share with your friends, all that good stuff. But nonetheless, like I said, we are going to be unboxing the new Wahl Hi Viz Nightshade. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. So check it out, man. This is the Wahl Hi Viz Nightshade. As y'all can see, a corded or cordless trimmer, new Hi Viz 2.0 blade. It's better for detailing and debulking, because I will say that the original Hi Viz trimmer was great for lining. It was really, really good for lining. It was probably one of my favorite trimmers for a good minute, but it just wasn't the best when it came to debulking, right? Like, it would debulk, but sometimes you'd have to turn the trimmer upside down and come down with it to really get through some of that thicker hair, right? So this is supposed to be better for debulking. We're going to find out, and I'm going to let y'all know once again, not in this video, but once I actually get to use this trimmer a little more, I'm going to let y'all know how this thing lines up and debulks. But hopefully we get the same lines from this trimmer. Now, on the back, the box does say, Wahl's most powerful trimmer is now upgraded. The Hi Viz Nightshade features the new Hi Viz 2.0 hybrid T-blade, so you can go from debulking to detailing without missing a beat. So they're speaking really highly about this trimmer, or about the blade at least, so that's good. We're gonna have to see if what they saying on this box is true, but we're gonna check that out here in a minute. Slim neck design provides enhanced visibility to deliver perfect lines and intricate details. Comfort curve textured housing provides secure grip and superior control. Smart LED indicator signals when blades needs oil or maintenance. That's pretty dope. Industry leading quick charging battery. So if you charge it for 1 minute, you get 3 minutes of runtime. Charge it for 5 minutes, you get 15 minutes of runtime. So that's pretty dope right there. That's what we got right there. And I do want to say that Wahl did send me a couple of more specs on here that I'm going to share with y'all. Like I said, it comes with the Hi Viz 2.0 blade, deeper teeth, and that's really just to feed hair into the trimmer. So they did adjust the teeth on the trimmer so that way it will debulk better. So once again, we're gonna have to try that out and see if they're really telling the truth with that, right? The blade is zero gap adjustable and has diamond-like carbon coating that's gonna keep the blade cooler and sharper longer. So that's pretty dope. Like I said, it's got the smart LED indicator, comfort curve, 135-minute runtime. And like I said earlier, you charge it for 1 minute, you get 3 minutes. You charge it for 5 minutes, you get 15 minutes. And if you charge it for 45 minutes, you get a full charge. And it is USB-C compatible. So a lot of times people have been saying that Wahl ain't making all right moves. They need to put USB-C on their trimmers and their tools. I think that's what this one says. It's going to be USB-C compatible. And also, this is a limited edition tool, meaning it's not going to be around forever. So when these things drop, y'all going to want to check them out, and they are dropping on September 29th. September 29th, and the price is going to be $199. However, if you go to wahlpro.com, you can use my discount code TANK on that website, and that's going to help bring that price down a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So once this drops, September 29th, head over to wahlpro.com, use my discount code TANK10, get you the new Wahl Hi Viz Nightshade, if that's something you want to do, right? But with that being said, let's go ahead and continue unboxing this tool. So we're going to take the sleeve off, and as you can see, we got a Wahl Professional box. We're going to go ahead and open this thing up. I'm excited to see how this thing looks, how this thing works. And as y'all can see, it's sitting in the box right there. Let's go ahead and get this out of here. So it feels really similar to the original Hi Viz. Obviously, it is basically the same trimmer, just a little upgraded with the new blade, couple new features to it, right? So it is upgraded, but check it out. That is the new Wahl Hi Viz Nightshade right there. I like the coating of it. I like the color. I'm more a fan of this color than I am of the original color, just because it looks a little more modern. It looks a little more like it fits in today's day and age, right? I'm not the biggest fan of these little, I don't know if it's light gray or a goldish accents, but you know, that's not a big deal. Obviously, that's just aesthetics. You know, some people are gonna like that, some people not. We do got the Hi Viz, the 2.0 blade on there, as y'all can see. I don't know if y'all can read it on there due to the glare, but it says Hi Viz 2.0 on the blade. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on for y'all. So it feels good. It feels good right when I turn that thing on. It don't feel too sharp. Let's see how this blade looks. So it may need a little bit of adjusting. Looking at the blade, it's not 100% zero gap, or at least not where I like it. So we might have to take that blade off and adjust it before I do a review for y'all. But that's just me, right? And then as y'all can see at the bottom, we do have the regular charging port, and then we have a USB-C charging port also. So shout out to Wahl for putting that USB-C. Y'all say Wahl ain't listening. Wahl's listening, man. They put the USB-C on this machine. But once again, check it out, the new Hi Viz Nightshade, limited edition, coming soon. So y'all make sure to check that out when it does drop. Wahlpro.com, discount code TANK on that website. But let's move this to the side real quick, and let's continue looking at what comes inside of the box. Every time I get new tools, man, not that I hate unboxing it, but unboxing it sometimes can be difficult because they shove the stuff in there so tightly that it's hard to get the boxes out and stuff. But we got the box out. Check it out. We're going to open this up, see what all it comes with. So we do get, let's see, we get a zero gap setter. So I didn't even know Wahl had a zero gap setter. So that's dope right there. Okay, I think that's a zero gap setter. Don't catch me lying, right? But if y'all know what this is, if it's not a zero gap setter, leave that down in the comments. We do get the charging port insert. So if you have the Wahl power pods or the Wahl charging base, you can put this in there and it will charge the trimmer. We do get the charging cord in case you don't have the charger. You can just plug this into the trimmer. We get a cleaning brush and some oil, and that's basically what comes in this box, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and close this box up and then look at what comes underneath the sleeve for the trimmer, if anything does, right? So yeah, so we take this off. Oh, and it does come with a charging dock. Nice. So check it out. It does come with a charging dock. I wasn't 100% sure if it did, but it does. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that little piece off and I'm gonna put it in the charging dock. That way y'all can see how the trimmer sits inside of the charging dock. Now I do have the Wahl charging brick or the Wahl charging station on my station. So I already have a Wahl Hi Viz on there. I may just take that one off and keep this one. I may use this, who knows? You know, I've gotten a few new tools from Wahl anyway, so we might need these, right? But check it out. Here's how the clipper or the trimmer sits on the charging dock. Once again, I like when companies give you a charging dock. For me, it just leaves, you know, it just makes everything look better. It's more about presentation for the clients, right? And it also keeps us barbers a little more organized and keeps things in the space where they need to be at on our station so we don't lose them and we can work more efficiently. So shout out to Wahl for providing us with a charging dock. So we get that. What else we got? And then that's really all we get, man. I mean, that's really all you need. You don't need nothing else, right? So we do get another booklet that we ain't gonna look at. And then I guess this is the Pro Set tool. I guess the zero gap, how to use the zero gap setting or whatever this is. I normally don't open these, but I'm gonna open this up real quick just because I wanna see exactly what it is. And yeah, it is to zero gap the blade, so check that out right there. So you do get the zero gap setter, you get the booklet on how to use that. But once again, check it out, man. Here is the Wahl Hi Viz Trimmer 2.0 with the new blade on there, the Nightshade edition. Once again, this is limited edition. So if you want to purchase this on September 29th, you're going to have to go to wahlpro.com. Use my discount code TANK10, or not TANK10, I'm sorry. Use my discount code TANK on that website. And I think you actually get a little more than 10% off, but I'm not 100% sure. But once again, wahlpro.com. Use my discount code TANK to save yourself a little bit of money. But check it out, the Wahl Hi Viz Nightshade. Y'all know what it is, baby. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.